What's up, guys? Another day, another W. Find the degree of each vertex. You're given a 2D integer array matrix of size n times n, representing the adjacency matrix of an undirected graph with n vertices labeled from 0 to n minus 1. Matrix ij1 means that there is an edge between I and j. 0 means that there is no edge between I and j. The degree is the number of edges connected to it. Return ans where ans represents the degree of vertex I. So I'm gonna with the ans. I'm gonna loop through. What I should do is matrix size. Matrix size, and then I get 0 I less than n I plus. Okay, and then we're just like count is 0 and m is matrix of I dot size. So I dot size for j gets 0, j less than m, j plus plus. If matrix of ij, we're gonna say count plus plus. Then we're gonna do as the push back count. Okay. Okay, let's submit. Okay, very nice, guys. So we solved it, guys. We solved it. Very nice, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Road to 500 subs. Also comment and share, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Have a good day and take care, man. I love you.